Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to place a trade on TradingView, trading with the Traded Funded Plus, and we are looking at ticker EURNZD. So first what you would have to do is you have to connect your broker. You just click on this little tab right here, connect your broker, just the username and the password that they send you, and then they'll put you right in. And then from there, all you have to do is pick a chart, basically whatever you want to play, right? So based on my strategy, I see right here that we are overbought on the RSI. MACD is ready to reverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line at the bottom of this candle, right? So on the next candle, when we get a breaker candle to the downside, we will be looking for an entry. And so not really going to go too much into the trading plan. This video is going to be more about how to enter a trade. And so basically, if you watch my past videos, you'll know what I'm looking at for this trade. But just from start, we're just going to walk you through how to make a trade. And so here I'm looking at 1.73326 would be the entry line. So what I'm going to do is double click on this. I'm going to hit Command V, or however you want to copy it, whatever works for you. And then from there, once your broker is connected, all you have to do is press Shift S. And then right here, it'll give you the whole option of how you want to trade, whether it's a market, a limit, stop limit, stop. So if you want to enter into a trade right away, boom, you just hit that and you're in. This is the lots that you're going for. What I do is I do stops, right? So I just let it trigger when it hits. I'm not really staring at the chart too often. And so click on stop, and then for price, what I'm going to do is double click. So I have it all selected. I'm going to do Command V or paste, whatever works for you. And so this is going to be basically my price. And then so I can select how many lots I want to do. If it's 1.1, 0.01, whatever works for you that you're comfortable with. Time and force, GTC is good till canceled. So clicking on this as my order, I'm going to be keeping an eye on it throughout the day. But basically I just want it to be stay in there. And then you can do manual take profits and stop losses. But for what I do, I just enter into the stop, and then I'll tell you how I select my stop loss and my take profit. So from here, I'm just going to click that red button. That's going to put my order in. You're going to see it pop up right here on the screen. So we have a sell stop 0.1 at that 1.73326. So at this point, I can just get rid of that line now that I know that this is where the low is. And then from here, all I'm going to do is go over the stop loss sign. It's the SL right there where it says add stop loss. All you do is hold it down and then you drag it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it up right above previous candle high. And then it manually inputs everything for you. This is the price that it's at, how many pips. So that's 942 pips. US dollars, that would be a $53.38 loss if I lost, and that would be 0.4% of the account. And so I just hit modify order, and then that's basically going to put my stop loss in for me right above that candle high, which is perfect that it does everything for you. And for take profit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Fibonacci tool on the low of this low and then connect it to the high. Then I'm going to be going and grabbing my take profit and putting it right at that 0.618. So that's right about a $72.87 win, 1,286 pips. And so, of course, as the play goes on, I'm going to be moving my stop loss down, which you can do while the play's happening. So generally, it's not really going to hit a stop loss that far out. When it's all the way up here, if we're closing in a doji, the moment that it breaks, I'm probably going to be putting my stop loss right above this candle. And so to do that, all I would do is drag it down a bit. So to do that, to edit your stop loss, all you have to do is just drag it and then hit modify order. Boom, it should be done. It's kind of taking a little bit of a while, but it says modified, so that means that it's already done. And so at that point, then I would only be risking 26 to make 72. And so since we're looking at this on the 2-hour chart, as it's coming down, could take 4 to 6 hours to hit this play. And so basically I can just walk away now. My order's set, I can walk away. If I wanted to change the order, add more orders, drag this down a bit as the play is going on, I can drag it down to there, and then as that's happening, I can drag, let's say, my stop loss down to in the profit, and then it won't let me place it right now because we're not there yet. But basically, I can drag my stop loss into the profit, drag my take profit down, and just as the play keeps going, I just come back in an hour, check it, come back in an hour, check it, and basically it's as simple as that. So super simple, simple, sweet. I have the lines set up going across the screen. I like it, so when I'm moving it, I can see exactly where I'm at on the chart. But if you don't want it there, you can just double click on the screen, go to settings, you go to trading, and then these are basically everything that I have. So I have my buy and sell buttons, sound notifications for executions, so whenever it puts me in a play or takes me out, whether it's stop loss or take profit, it gives me a little ding. My positions, I have my profit and loss and the money. You can switch it to pips or percentage, it's up to you. I just like seeing how much money I'm risking. I have my orders, my brackets, profits, profit and loss and money, pips and percentage, you can do that as well again. And then my orders and positions, that's on my right side of my screen, and then the extended price line for positions and orders. Once the play is already triggered and you're already in the play, you can take it off if you want, make the chart a little bit cleaner. But for me, I just prefer it to have the lines just so I can see exactly where on the chart I'm looking at as far as stop losses and take profits. But yeah, that's the video for how to enter in a trade. It's super simple, super sweet. So that's why I'm loving trading on TradingView now. It's just everything is simplified, and when you can simplify things, it just makes it less strenuous on you. There's less things, you don't have to be bouncing back between apps. It's literally just, I'm seeing a chart on TradingView, I'm trading it, and that's it. So just when you're trading based off of one app that is actually your charting app, it makes a huge difference. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Maybe I can do another video based on any questions, or I can just respond to your comments and help you guys out there. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be posting a lot more videos on this. All right, guys, have a good day.